Hey, Dave Cook with Franco Finishes coming at you with a quick video. Last night we were at a Wall Covering Installers Association local chapter meeting. We have a Chicago chapter and we meet over in Elmhurst at a VFW lodge. That's kind of nice because we had 12 members of our local chapter that were able to meet. We meet every fourth Wednesday of every month there. So it's nice because last night was great because everyone had wallpaper samples. And if you ever listen to some people with the PDCA, Nick Slavic, Jason Paris up in Minnesota, they have this phrase they call Partition. So it's just a bunch of, as painters get together, cooperate, share information, you know, that spirit of cooperating to get a better job done is really the spirit of the WIA, Wall Covering Installers Association. And it's awesome when you get there because I haven't been wallpapering a ton of time compared to some of these guys, but they welcome you in just like you were. So they don't treat you like you're a newbie. They don't treat you like you don't know anything. So even though we've got about 9 years of wallpaper experience compared to some people that've got 30, I don't know that much compared to these guys, but they're complete experts in what they do. And going in there, and we had, between the 10 of us, there's probably 25 different types of wallpaper that we've installed in the past month. And it was great because everyone gets up there and almost like a show and tell. This is how we installed this type of paper. This is the primer we used. This is the adhesive we used. These are a couple of issues that we had. This is how we installed it. We tried to install it this way. It didn't work, so we went this way. So if each individual paper that's being installed, you almost have a how-to guide. So that's something the next meeting, I'm just going to do a bunch of videos so that way we can put it up on our YouTube channel, share it, and that way everyone has this great information to be able to just to lean into, so that way we have successful installations. Go on the website, go to the wallcoveringinstallersassociation.org and find a local chapter near you and get involved in some of these groups. Now there's a convention coming up, I think it's September, in New Orleans. It's a great place to learn also, but the local chapters really are where it's at. If you don't have one, find other wallpaper installers in your area, get together and start learning and growing how you do things, because the better we all are as installers, the more money we can charge, the better that we're going to be at what we do, and the better product we're going to deliver to consumers and customers that we have, so they'll keep wanting it, wallpaper in their homes. If people keep doing bad installations and stuff keeps going wrong, all we're going to do is make it worse so that people don't want wallpaper. So do what you can to improve the industry by associating, networking with other wallpaper installers. It's going to do everyone good. Again, wallpaperinstallersassociation.org. If you're in Chicago, you can give us a shout here. You can send us a text message to francofinishes.com. Love to have you at our meeting, get you a part of the group, and see what you can help us learn about wallpaper installing.